Number 1, Pro Lift Lawn Mower Jack Lift. Check the description for price. The best features: non-slip foot pedal allows effortless lifting the load, safety lock for safely supporting the load. This one works for my 52 and 60 inches Cub Cadet mowers, very sturdy, easy to use and assemble. Number 2, Lippert Power Stabilizer Jack Kit. Check the description for price. The best features: this product 79 long x 6, 2 wide x 19 tall, 58 pounds, level up and power gear replacement, includes waterproof switch, harness and reset breaker. It does work, easy install. Number 3, Pro Lift Heavy Duty Floor Jack Stands. Check the description for price. The best features: the creeper has the 40 inches in length with the capacity of 300 pounds. It is worth money you spent. I have no issue to during use of it, very sturdy, easy to use and assemble. The jack stands has the 3-ton capacity. Number 4, Quick Jack Portable Lift for Home Use. Check the description for price. The best features: up to 3 liters of automatic transmission fluid, air source to inflate air cylinders up to 50 psi, automatic safety locks, no cranking or bending during lifting. Number 5, A+ Lift Auto Scissor, lift for home use. Check the description for price. The best features: durable orange and black powder coated finish, relief valve built-in power pump to prevent overloading, driving by dual 3 1/4 inches hydraulic cylinders, 2 years hydraulic electrical parts warranty. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.